Happy Halloween, everyone! Today we're going to be doing one of our Halloween crafts, which are these monster ornament kit. It's for ages 6+, so let's get started. You should receive this package in the mail. Inside there will be an instructions manual on how to do each of your monsters. You will also receive all of your foam pieces for your monsters. Let's make the first monster together. For the legs, you will use the pipe cleaners that you are given. You can wrap them around each other to make the legs sturdy. Then you will take the beads and put them on the legs. For the eyes, remove the paper at the back of them. And then stick them on your monster. Then decorate your monster with the jewels. For the shoes, take first the white foam piece and place it behind the pipe cleaner. Then take the front piece of the shoe and stick it on the white sticky part. Attach the string to the top of the monster and tie it in a double knot. Now let's do the green monster. These are how my monsters turned out. I hope you like this craft and see you next time.